What's the biggest bullet you've ever dodged? I was getting ready for work when I heard a knock at the door. I opened it to find two police officers standing there, hats off, solemn expressions. My heart sank. They asked to come inside, told me to sit down, and I could tell this wasn't good. Then they said the unimaginable. My daughter's school bus had collided head-on with a semi-truck. No survivors. My whole body went numb. I couldn't breathe. One officer stayed to comfort me while the other left to inform the rest of the families. They told me I needed to come to the station to identify her body, as most victims were unrecognizable. I was in shock. This can't be real. I frantically called my daughter's phone over and over, but it went straight to voicemail. The reality was suffocating. The officer offered to drive me to the station, but as I opened the door, my phone buzzed. A number I didn't recognize. I hesitated but answered. Daddy, I missed the bus. Can you give me a ride to school? I collapsed right there. The officers were speechless. I was shaking, gasping for air, overcome with relief. My daughter had missed the bus. She was safe. I held onto her so tightly when I picked her up, I don't think I ever let go.